The 280Z has been missing something all up in this area. Today I'm gonna fix that. Sorry, we're gonna fix that. I have the Xenon 3125 front air dam for a 260 and a 280Z. Per instructions, the required tools needed are an 11mm open-end wrench, 11mm socket, vice grips, 5/16" drill bit, and a drill. Per instructions, the required tools needed are an 11mm open-end wrench, 11mm socket, vice grips, 5/16" drill bit, and a drill. The stainless hardware is included, and it shows where to put them. Each side we need to drill 2 holes here and 1 here. I have 1 vice grip, but I have a clamp too to help for one side. I'll mock the air dam up and use a Sharpie to mark where to drill the holes. And that's the air dam. I have some blocks here to help. I doubt I'll need a jack, but I have it in case. Alright, it's held up with the vice grips and clamp. The lines look good. I'll mark these 2, drill them, mount it back on or mock it up, and then get this one while it's on. The gold Sharpie worked out good. A little light here, but the mark's there. With the smaller drill bit, I'm going to make some pilot holes. And then come back with the 5/16. I'll be following suit for this side, of course. Clamp this side back up and then go bolt in the other side. Okay, the bolts through. I'll have the lock washer and nut. Alright, the bolts and nuts are started. It's a matter of tightening them. That's where our wrench and socket will come into hand. The forward bolt ended up being snug against the air dam, but it'd be like that sometimes. Okay, this side's fastened in too. The holes used to mark and drill were previously there. I just reused them. And the jack is going to help hold a bind so I can drill the final hole. Quality control's coming around to check the install. I'm going to get a washer that's a little bit oversized for the hole because the size of the hex head's almost the same size as the hole. And that's where it catches from the inside. Just need to tighten it. Back to this side to do the same thing. Add another bolt here to add extra strength, and wait on a dashboard. That should hide all of these little holes. This install was done on a 1975 Datsun 280Z. If you found this information useful, like and subscribe. Other than that, thank you for watching.